So today I'm giving you 8 tips to get your house back in order. This is not a routine cleaning. This is if your house is just a complete wreck and you need to get things under control so you can return to your regular routine. The point of the 8 steps is just to keep you focused. Write them down, put it on your fridge so you can see it as you're cleaning. You can return to it. Don't get distracted like I do, and stick to the steps. The first step is to put on a load of laundry. It always feels good to have laundry going while you're doing something else. The second step is to grab a giant trash bag and just walk through your entire house, picking up all of the trash, and take out the little bins as you go as well. Third step, grab 2 baskets. One's gonna be for clutter, the other's gonna be for dirty laundry, and walk through your entire house, picking up clutter that doesn't belong in each room and the dirty laundry. After you've collected all of your items, then you're just gonna quickly go dump everything off in each room where it belongs. You don't have to put it away. Just dump it in the room where it belongs, so at least it's there and you can deal with putting it away next. Okay, step number 4 is to go back to each room and put the items away where they go. Don't overthink it. Just put books on the bookshelf, toys in the toy bin, and make the bed as you're in each room. It's a quick win and it makes the room feel clean almost immediately. Step number 5 is to do the dishes. Start a giant sink of very hot soapy water and begin doing your dishes. Quickly run through things. We're not looking for perfection. Just get them in the dishwasher. If you have any dishes left over after you load the dishwasher, just rinse them quickly and leave them in the sink. Progress is better than perfection. Step number 6 is to dust and do all of the glass. So at this stage in your cleaning, you've picked up all the clutter, you've picked up all the trash, the dishes are washing in the dishwasher, so you made incredible progress so far. Now it's time to gather your cleaning supplies. So get microfiber towels, a multi-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a disinfectant. It helps to keep all of these items in a cleaning caddy that you can carry around your house. That way it's mobile and you can quickly go around your house and do all of the dusting. Step number 8 is to do the bathrooms. Quickly go in and do the bathrooms. The first thing you need to do is spray everything down with disinfectant, and then start with the mirror, the countertops, the toilet, and the tub. Quickly done. And then step number 8, lastly, is to do the floors. We like to vacuum all of the floors. It's more efficient and it saves time, in my opinion. Vacuum everything and then mop, and you are completely done and you have a beautiful clean home. The point is to stay on track with the 8 steps. It just helps keep you focused.